Finally, I have adjusted the layout of charts in Excel dashboard. Now select these cells, click merge and center. Type stock and purchase. Press enter key. Again active this cell. Click this button. Click bold button. Increase the size of text. Change the background color of text. Now active this cell. Click Format Painter. Select these cells. Type revenue of each product. Press enter key. Adjust the position of this chart. Active this cell. Now I insert text box to get revenue of each product from the pivot tables. Active this cell. Click Format Painter. Select these cells. Type total revenue. Press enter key. Click Insert tab. Click text arrow button. Select this box. I link this box in the pivot table to get total revenue of products. Enter equal sign. Click revenue of each product sheet. Select this cell reference. Press delete key. This is cell reference F3. Type 3. Type uppercase letter F. Press enter key. Format this number. Increase the size of this text. Select the color of text. Green. Select the background color of text. Light orange.